Contractor management can be very difficult. In a typical environment, owners simply don't have the visibility to accurately track work. This results in manual processes, slow data collection, inaccurate data, and a lack of cost controls, with the reliance on the contractor to invoice accurately for services rendered across routine maintenance, STOs, and capital projects. To illustrate this point, imagine all of one craftsman's information, including schedule, time on site, pay rates, per diem, and billable hours. All the basics that must be considered and calculated. Now multiply that by thousands of workers across hundreds of vendors on multiple contracts and job sites. It's absolutely impossible to manage manually. At Management Controls, we designed our myTrack software specifically to help you manage contractors more effectively and efficiently. myTrack literally flips the script on the owner and contractor relationship, providing owners the ability to track and calculate all contractor labor, equipment, rental equipment, and material costs in a centralized location, creating invoices that are error-free and contractually compliant. Among the many benefits myTrack offers, owners can gain full transparency into contractor activities with real-time visibility and automatic auditing, ensuring that invoices are accurate and reflect actual work performed, eliminating the risk of overbilling. In addition, with myTrack, you can eliminate the issue of unactionable stale data with real-time data and reporting, as well as daily settlement, allowing managers to make timely and accurate decisions based on current information, improving operational efficiency and financial planning. Finally, myTrack gives companies full control over costs with automated cost tracking, detailed cost reporting, and rate enforcement, ensuring that contractors are billing accurately for services provided and preventing overbilling, double billing, and the misapplication of rate structures. As a global leader in contractor spend management since 1989, Management Controls is proud to have a 99% customer retention rate. With the enhanced features of our myTrack software, companies commonly save 8% on labor and 18% on equipment. We understand the challenges associated with contractor management. Our software is purpose-built to help even the most complex organizations gain new levels of accuracy and efficiency.